Hi, my name is Craig Evans, and I'm your master mechanic in Newmarket. The standard oil change is extremely important on any vehicle because it is the first and quite often most commonly performed service. Changing the engine oil and filter ensures that the inside of the engine and the engine crankcase remain free of debris and contaminated materials. The standard oil change process starts with lifting a vehicle off the ground, removing any covers underneath it to allow access to the engine, drain the engine of its oil, replace the oil filter, and refill all fluids. Preventative maintenance and scheduled repairs are increasingly more important on today's vehicles, as it helps to prevent not only costly repairs down the road, but also ensures that the vehicle is up to date on regular maintenance and well maintained. With every oil change or preventative maintenance package that we perform, we offer a complimentary multi-point vehicle inspection. Our multi-point vehicle inspection covers many systems, including all of the fluids, filters, belts, lights, interior accessories, as well as underbody and under-vehicle components. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon.